Police brag a
There
dash
are
on a
so
crime
much
scene
going on.
reporting wifey
See if
and
the
a live
police
matey.
cannot press one other crime scene. Yes, crime scene. This time it is wifey and matey. Get into it. Yes, wifey found out that matey was pregnant for her husband, and wifey take upon herself to pounce upon matey and attack matey. Seriously, serious attack. Matey is on the ground. Matey is on the ground. There's nothing more we can do. She had been pronounced unalive on the spot. Yes, wifey, right at this moment, is under police supervision, while her husband is crying that he have nothing to do with the matter. And wifey is only making up stuff because he hasn't been cheating. They have been married for 20 years and he has never looked at another woman in the street. And his wife have been putting things in her head. His wife have been getting out of control. It seems the wife don't know how to control herself. The husband said Jamaican men do not cheat, and he does not fall into any category of a cheating husband. He's very honest and faithful. Faithful from birth. The police is still investigating the matter. Please to like and subscribe.